Hello everyone, I hope you're very well, and in today's video I'm going to sell luxury bags and accessories that you will be able to find on bamluxurystore.com. My name is Margot alias Margavalux. I'm a bag lover, as you probably are as well. I'm French, so sorry in advance for my accent and my terrible English. But if you like luxury bags, consider subscribing to help my little channel, of course. And I'm going to show you so many beautiful bags today. Mostly bags, actually. Sometimes I do also accessorize, but actually in this drop, it's only bags. Next time I will think about like releasing some like little items. Everything, of course, is authenticated through my expertise and also by entreprise certificate that we offer on every bag over 1,500 euro when entreprise certifies the bag. So the first one, I do have the dust bag, and we are going to see the beautiful Jody. The color is like an olive color. I will put you on the screen the name of the color directly, but this is an excellent condition bag, as new, I would say. You can open here, and this is a bag that actually you can carry here on the arm and also in the shoulder. This is not the smallest one, this is not the mini, so it's actually such a good one. Price is actually super good, 2,390 euro. You also have the USD price on my website in case you are from the US. If you are from the US, let me know if you're from the US with a little US flag in the comment, or if you are from outside or some other countries, don't hesitate to leave me a little flag of your country. I really want to know who's watching this channel. I'm curious, so yeah. And just to let you know, if you want to purchase anything, don't hesitate to ask first if you want something or you have any questions. I also include taxes and customs in the price, so you're not surprised this way when you receive your package. The next one is a very classic one. This is PD 30 in 30 size. Yes, of course. You have a leather part still here because sometimes it can be broken. Corners are in very good condition, guys. This is a good one. This is a very classic. If you're looking for your very first luxury bag, this one might do perfect because this is something that you can carry all along, anytime, any age, very easy to wear, very practical, functional, and resistant also. The leather parts are a little bit tan, so it means like the leather is a little bit darker, but it's completely normal. Inside now, bag is in very, very good condition. One little like trait, but almost nothing. For a bag from the 90s, it's actually such a good one. And we have a price of 540 euro. I'm filming this video very late. Usually I try to take 2 weeks in advance, but now I'm super, super late. The business is growing, so it's going super fast, and we are only 2 weeks in since. So, you know, it's so good, so good. Now, you've seen it probably on the thumbnail. This is a Birkin. So you have the dust bag that comes with it. You have also the invoice from the Hermès Spa. The Hermès Spa is when you want to renovate anything on the bag, and it goes directly to Hermès. And this is actually good. This one, I have the padlock and the key. They redone every part hardware here on the front. They did not redone like the hardware under the bag, but they redone everything here to have a protection, so it's perfect. This is a beige. This is not the gold. The gold one is here. This one is more a beige. It's lighter, so it's so cool. Condition is like good, very good, I would say. Corners were redone by Hermès. This is so nice. This is a Courchevel leather, so it's like very similar to Epsom. What else can I say? You have some. It's like stain. It's not trace on the leather. I would say it's like stain, but it's very light. This is a Birkin 35 gold hardware. So the size is quite perfect in my opinion for an everyday use, and the price is so insane. I'm going to just show you the inside of the bag. I'm trying to be careful with these beautiful babes. So the inside is very good. I have little stain in this little pocket there, and some little others in this little zipper pockets. But otherwise, this is a good, very good condition for this one. Price is below 10,000. It's 9,990 euro, which is so exceptional for this type of bags. And we love it. This is a Courchevel leather, so it's very similar to Epsom. So it keeps the shape. It's not like a Togo, for example. And in my opinion, this is a very, very good deal. Next on is a very emblematic and classic bag. This is a Lady Dior medium size in black leather. Gold hardware. This one is a vintage from before 97, so you don't have a serial number on these bags because they started doing like serial number on these bags approximately mid 97. It doesn't come with a strap because also before it was not doing with straps. But this is such a good one. Condition is actually very good for vintage of this year. You have some little trace on the bottom of the bag, but it's very light. Corners are quite amazing, I have to admit. This one is very smooth because back then also bags were not made like very, how do you say? They were more like flexible, I would say, back then. They were not made the same way as now or a little more recent. Inside is beautiful, excellent condition, and the price is 1,900 euro. Next on is the Louis Vuitton bag with a dust bag, and I'm going to talk about the Musette bag, which is a very good little handbag for an everyday use. You have a little strap that is a little bit adjustable, so it's cool. The condition is excellent on this one. I'm quite shocked. The corners, everything. You have a flap that is here with a press button. Inside also is excellent, like suede leather with a little pocket. Beautiful. And price for this one is 580 euro. Concerning the inside, you could fit like a large wallet, a little agenda, a notebook, cards, a phone, keys, sunglasses, lots of things. Actually, this is like kind of a good everyday bag for this size, but also like if you have a restaurant time, it's actually nice and it's not too big, you know, to wear, so it's quite convenient. Next is in this little dust bag. These dust bags are ours. When we don't have a dust bag of origin, we always give you this type of dust bag. This way you can protect your bag at home. So this one is a wallet on chain from Chanel, the Wok, in lambskin leather black, silver hardware. Condition I would say is very good. Corners are lightly rubbed, but it's almost nothing, guys. Honestly, this is a good one. It was used a little bit. You have the long strap, long bandolier. These bags are smaller, but the bandolier are longer. So this is actually good if you're like very tall. And if you're shorter like me, you can use a strap fixer, like shorter. We sell it on the website. It's super easy and you can use it like so easily. Inside is actually very good. You have the hologram, you have multiple pockets. We also have a little authenticity card. So this is quite nice actually, and the price is 2,490 euro. Then let's continue on another Chanel bag, but this version is the big version. This is a jumbo and a vintage version, so it's so cool. Jumbo vintage, black lambskin leather as well. You have the big chains and gold-plated logo. Turn lock. The bag was retouched a little bit about the leather, so it's actually quite good. Very good condition, honestly, on this one. I give more details on the website, bamluxurystore.com. You can also check on the description box. I give everything below. And if you have any question, guys, literally don't hesitate to ask me. I'm here to help, and I do this for passion. So you have also a bag organizer that comes with it. My client left the bag organizer for you because everything that you see comes from my clients, because we are more and more on social media of BAM Luxury Store and Margavalux. By the way, go and follow us on Instagram and TikTok if you have them. It would be a pleasure to have you also on these type of networks. We also do lives on Whatnot. I don't know if you know Whatnot, but it's from the US, so you probably. And this is an app where we do live auction. This is so crazy, actually. And sometimes on Whatnot, I show the bags in advance. So this bag is 4,590 euro. A more recent bag this time, and this is a brand new one from Celine. I do have the dust bag, and voila! This is a crossbody bag that you can adjust, so it's cool. You still have a protection on the hardware. This is canvas and leather, so brand new bag. For opening the bag, you click here. So excited! Let me know so far in the comment also, so your country, but also which bag so far do you prefer in this selection. I'm gonna give you the price. This is kind of the most important thing, 2,090 euro. I hope you will enjoy. I rarely have like Celine bags like this Triomphe. They are very hard to find, or they are very expensive. So this one comes from Netherlands, a client from Netherlands, so I'm super excited. This comes with a dust bag of origin. And we have an Intrecciato oboe bag in brown Intrecciato leather. This one is huge. And this bag is on my wish list, guys. So I'm selling it, but like I kind of regret selling it. It's not mine, but I wish I could buy it. I actually purchased a few things lately, so my budget is like completely full, so I cannot buy it. But I really love it. So if someone buys it, I'll be happy for you, but also sad for me. Inside is very good. You also have a little zipper pocket with a mirror inside. I'm gonna show you. Let me just, so lever on the side and here. So it's actually super, super cute. And the price for this beautiful bag is 1,190 euro in so good condition. This is a bag that you can carry anywhere, and this is Bottega, so their leather is quite amazing, I have to admit. I really like their leather. Let me put back the bag in the dust bag to protect it. Next is Fendi. I had the box and the dust bag, and let me present you the Fendi Mon Trésor bag. I love the name of the bag. Mon Trésor means my treasure. So it's quite cute. This is a leather bag, full leather and cream and beige taupe. So nice. You have a little strap that you can detach if you prefer, and a bandoulière also that you can adjust a little bit, not so much, but a little bit. You can also close the bag, open it. Inside is very good, and the price is 790 euro. This is a perfect everyday bag. Like just carry some few things. The iPhone 13 Pro Max fits inside, like card holder, sunglasses, keys, and this is mostly what you need actually. So this is so freaking cute, especially for spring summer that is coming. Another Celine. This time it's another model of bag. Almost brand new, like box, this bag, and let me present you the Ava in black leather, gold hardware, excellent condition. It was used probably like 2 or 3 times. You can wear the bag on the shoulder. This is not a crossbody bag, but if you want, you can add on these sides like a crossbody or a chain. This way you can wear it like, yeah, crossbody. So condition of the bag is excellent, very good. To open the bag, you just have to open the pressure button, and you have the zipper. So it's quite good to open and close the bag. Inside, you have a pocket there. I'm not sure you're gonna see lots of things inside, but it's in very good condition. And the price is 1,725 euro. This is very nice. Next, I have a box and the bag. This is a limited edition bag. You know how much I love limited edition bags. These are my kind of favorites. I like a good classic, but I like also limited edition because you won't find them anywhere, and this is so special, you know. So this is a beautiful twist from Louis Vuitton, medium size, in a reverse monogram, but also classic leather and epi leather. Beautiful addition colors. You can wear it on the shoulder and in crossbody as well. This is a very good bag. Beautiful condition, I would say, is very good. Obviously was used a little bit, so you have some little trace, but very little. To open the bag, just up, turn, and that's it. You have a little mirror inside, so cute, and you still have a little booklet with the material used and so on, but the inside is very nice. Also bottom of the bag, corners are so nice, and the price is not that crazy. 2,390 euro for this special bag is quite good. Next is a little Fendi. I don't have them so much lately, and I actually like this bag. This is a navy blue color, fabric and leather, silver hardware for this bag. You can remove, if you want, the little strap on the side and adjust them or change depending on what you want to put, but you could add a strap or a chain for crossbody. So there's an excellent condition for this one, and inside also is very good. You have a zipper pocket. This is such a nice little bag, 580 euro. Next is Louis Vuitton with box, dust bag and invoice. Let me show you. And voila, my Lock Me tote bag from Louis Vuitton in black leather, grand leather actually. But this one particular, you can wear it on the arm. And guys, surprise! We do have a strap that is adjustable, so you can longer the strap or shorter the strap and wear it as a crossbody. So it's so useful. Condition is excellent. You have a little pocket on the front. The bag is gorgeous. Like outside is as new, corners as well, and the inside is so cute. You can see it was used very barely, but so nice. And the price for this beautiful, amazing bag is 1,990 euro. Next, Louis Vuitton again, with that bag and invoice. It's not from the same client though, but this one is brand new. And yes, we do have a Nice Vanity Louis Vuitton, brand new, guys. But this is so weird. This is the first time that I have one like this. You can fit this cutie in your cabin bag or cabin suitcase or a Louis Vuitton keyhole to travel or just to stay home as well. So this is a vanity bag, toiletry pouch, I would say, but you can use it as a little bag if you prefer. I have the invoice and let me show you the inside of it. So it's super cutie. You have various pockets inside and the price is 890 euro. Next is a Speedy 40 vintage version from the 80s. Very good condition, honestly, for the outside. Leather is a little bit tan, but in still amazing condition. Let me show you the inside now. The inside of the bag has a little mini discoloration, but almost nothing, sincerely, for the year of the bag. And the price is 610 euro. This could be a very everyday use bag or for travel bag, or for the plane, cabin bag, or so on. This is a great one. Also, if you have kids, you can fit so many things inside. Next, and this is our dust bag as well. Medium Lady Dior from 2015, and it comes from New York. Silver hardware, this is just champagne bronze, micro canage, very limited edition from 2015, and this is a bag that we previously sold and the client 1.5 years later wants to sell it to buy something else. We have a strap and we have a little authentication card. Condition is very good on this one and the price is so well, 2,190 euro, and it smells amazing. I don't know what's her perfume, but I love it. Well, anyway, this was the last bag of the selection. You have the strap here. This was a huge selection. I think it was the biggest that we've done so far. I picked up lots of bags in Paris. I've been to Paris to pick up some bags and south of France as well. It was amazing also to meet you in person. And if I come to New York, yes, actually, I come to New York end of March. So if you have bags that you want to sell, also contact us. Maybe I can pick up in person and meet you directly. Would be a pleasure. If you have recommendations for restaurants, bars and shops to do anything, contact me in the comment. Tell me all your recommendations or contact me on Instagram. I'd be very, very, very happy if you give me your recommendation. We've been to New York City a few times already, but lots of things change and there is so much to do in this city, so thank you so much again for watching this video. Everything is on the website, so happy shopping to you, and if you have any questions, I'm here. Bisous.